Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. Yes, the fourth puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. In this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday, yes, Saturday, August the 6th, 2022, I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 4974. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box. Always a 1. Let me put the 1 there. Following question, can we see here the dual boxes? See here, dual box, there dual box. 2 dual boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order. Same for here, the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order. Following question, triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes in this? Oh, here another dual box. Overlooked. 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. Alright, triple boxes then. Let me continue with the triple box. No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. Let me scan. No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Here another T shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, more. Do we have more? No. And then, how about this shape? The following shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No, only 1. And I believe those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3. Only 3 that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3. And the 4, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4. It goes there. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Well, this box, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, but also can be a 4. Because this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4 if I place a 4 here. But we already have a 4 here. So can it be 4? So the only digit left should be the 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area. 4 numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 4. Let me see. Well, these 3 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there, of course, because this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. All right, overlooked. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2 and this box should be a 3. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. And now I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4 and a 5. We have double 4 and a double 5 there. Yes, definitely 2. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then let me see. Well. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 1. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then. 2. Okay. Well. Come on. It's taking too long. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, this box can be a 1 because we have a 1 there. But also, These 3 boxes surround a 5. Can it be a 5? So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 3. Can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Complicated. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So the other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 there. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Well, this box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 3 there. I cannot place the 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, that box should be a 3. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. And now. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. It can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Okay. 1, 5, 3. Okay. And now. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Complicated. Need a 4 here. Alright. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box. Wait. 1, 2, 4. 3 or 5. How about this box? Can we find 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3, 3. Okay. The difficult part. Oh, 5 and a 1. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 4. Well, and now, yeah, let me think. 2 and a 3, well, that means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. So the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. That means we have a double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. Only 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay, now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. Now we have a 2 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2 and a 4. It can be a 2 anymore. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 and the 3 are left in this area. 2 and the 3. Here can be a 2. So the 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Yeah, let me. Oh, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. In this squash area should be here. 2 numbers left in the squash area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. I think this. Oh, now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers in this area for the number 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Yeah. 4 stars? Well, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet you. By the way, thumbs up if you like this. Thumbs down if you dislike this. Okay, we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Tomorrow on Sunday we don't have newspaper. We don't receive any newspaper, so what I will do, I will solve these. I will continue with this additional, and we'll solve the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. If I have the spare time tomorrow, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Cannot promise you. It depends if I have the spare time, because the weekend, it's weekend, you know. It's weekend, people. And it's not only Sudokus. You need to enjoy your life. I cannot promise you. We will see. Alright. See you tomorrow. Have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye. And see you on Sunday.